Heading out with the Indianhead H.O.G chapter this morning. A little chilly, everybody's pretty bundled up. Thought we were done with chaps for the spring, but apparently not. Heading over to Stockholm on what's called the must-have pie ride. Actually pretty famous for pies, they've won some awards, and from there we'll head back towards Nelson and up through some of the hills that we've featured on earlier rides, County D and others, and we'll keep you posted as we go. Piling into the town of Stockholm. There's the store right across the street there, general store and pie shop. Wrapping up today's ride, kind of on the southwest side of Eau Claire, just a few miles from home now. Beautiful ride over to Stockholm Pies, had a little sandwich and pie. Enjoyed the ride with friends from the Indianhead H.O.G chapter. Great group of people.